Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Anne. I'm back again with another Willow Lane Embelly project share. So I've been really obsessed with this collection and I'm preparing for a project and I thought that I'd come and share my new embellishments that I created. So I had purchased this vintage typewriter and telephone, and this was 100% enabled by my girl Tony, who's Craft Purge here on YouTube and Instagram. She had created a whole series of flourish embellishments, and when I saw them, I know I had to have them, but I had yet to create with them, so I thought this was a perfect opportunity to make some really pretty embellishments, and I'm really happy with how they came out. I thought they were like, masculine but still pretty. I did use several of the cut aparts from the Willow Lane collection, and I think that they just, I don't know, came out stunning. There's butterflies, we got the sparkly, we still got like the vintage feel of the typewriter, and let's just say I am obsessed. So I thought I'd come on and just share how I put these together. And hopefully, inspire you. So I did some of the hard work already. I did die cut two pieces out. The bottom layer is a 110-pound cardstock. This is from Michael's, and I did cut out one of the papers from the Willow Lane collection, and I'm just going to zoom in just a little bit. Just for reference, I did color this in with my gold paint marker, just to give it a little pizzazz. And this is also another piece of the Willow Lane. I have been, I don't know if you can see this, but I recently got a Cricut from my girlfriend, and I have been like a maniac just printing and cutting, and let's just say it's been a lot of fun. So I actually did use, for this piece here, there's this like flag part, and I just cut the tail and I put some word stickers that I pulled from the Tim Holtz Small Talk sticker pack. I've been using this a lot, just to kind of like add sentiments to this as it's coming out of the typewriter. So just to keep this simple, it is a very easy embellishment. These flowers are actually a pack of Prima flowers, and this is from the Havana collections. And I'm not sure if you can tell, there are these little, I don't know what they are, the centers, and they're like hard. So I actually tore them apart, and then I added little bling crystals on them, just because who doesn't like a little bling, right? Yep. Okay, that's that. And let's put these bad boys together. So I have my trusty art glitter glue, and I like to just glue the tops of this. I don't know why this gets clogged up. I'm sorry. Okay. Here we go. Just the tops so I can align this little sentiment. Just right there. And I just like it enough that it doesn't peek out. Okay, from underneath. Perfect. Okay. And then I'm just going to layer the bottom 110-pound cardstock to keep this a little sturdy, and I'm just going to slap this on. Okay. Smush it a little. I did cut this a little wonky, but I'm still going to use it just because I just want the embellishment to be a little bit more sturdy. I'm just going to check if it's aligned, and it looks fine to me. So I'm going to actually add this little butterfly, and this is a punch that I have that I like to use with my leftover paper, and I just like, I guess, instead of keeping it and stashing it, I just punch out a bunch of butterflies, and yeah, I like to add like these little accents to my projects. I'm just going to add this little guy right here just because it looks a little bare on the bottom. And then the cluster of flowers, I like to do it kind of like on the opposite end. So if you look at this embellishment here, I started with the butterfly on top and yeah, the flowers on the other side. So I'm just gonna add my glue to the flowers. And just stick them on, make a little cluster. And for the flowers, I do like to add a little sparkle, and this is a Spectrum Noir sparkle pen. And I also have the Wink of Stella, but I have no idea why this sparkles like nobody business. So just slap this on, and I'm not sure if you can tell. It dries clear, but it is really, it has a really pretty shimmer to it. And I'm going to add a little bling to my butterfly. Okay, so I have this little bling set that I got from Hobby Lobby. And I'm just going to add this little gemmy here because we're all about the sparkle. And just add a little glue in the center just to make sure it stays put. And it's in. Let me see. And I'm going to just flap up this wing a little bit just to give our little butterfly like he's flying. And that's that. And then just to finish it off, this is kind of unnecessary, but since the paper is sticking up, I do like to add a little piece of double-sided tape. I don't know, I feel like it just keeps it a little steady and sturdier. And that is my embellishment, my friends. I really love this embellishment, and I think that I'm going to continue. I mean, I have created a couple of other embellishments that I'm really excited to share, and I hope that you find inspiration through my project shares. So that is it, and thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great one. Bye.